Time-based effects. So now we've got some reverb happening in our mix. We're going to work on adding some time-based effects. And what time-based effects are is they are effects other than reverb that are based off of delaying the signal. So the first and most obvious one is delay. And that is the one that we're going to be starting with in the videos to come. But if we can just look at it, you'll see here's delay, lots of options for plugins. We did use a delay plugin before to add our pre-delay on our reverb. And what that's basically doing is it's just doubling the signal and bringing it in a slight amount of time later. And so the signal is repeating itself, and you can set that up so it continues to repeat. And if you adjust the distance of time until the repeat, then you can adjust kind of the rhythmic pulse of that's going to create. Okay, and then the rest of the time-based effects are found here in the menus here under modulation, and that's going to be chorus and flanger and phaser, and there's doublers and different flangers and stuff like that, and they're all based off of the same kind of thing where you're delaying the signal, and maybe in addition to delaying the signal you're adjusting the pitch or you're adjusting the delay time, all these kind of things to just make delay a lot more exciting. And that's really what you have with time-based effects, are kind of putting delay on steroids and adding a lot of crazy stuff to it. So what we're going to do is, in some of the aspects of our mix, we have to decide, do we want to kind of get rid of the reverb that's happening and put delay in there, or one of these other effects, one of these other time-based effects, or do we want to put the time-based effect in addition to the reverb that's occurring? Some of these effects are great for thickening things up, like chorus and flanger. Some are great for creating crazy effects, like those two, as well as phaser. And also with delay, you can take something that's mono and make it more of a stereo kind of an image. And so we have all these things to do here with our time-based effects, and that's what we're going to be showing in the next couple of videos, is how we can do delay, chorus, flanger, and phaser. And that's our time-based effects basics.